Hello and welcome to my video. Today I'm discussing creative ways to make paleo meals, easy paleo meal ideas, and paleo snacks ideas. Let's get started.
Paleo meals and between meals. Eventually you'll want to keep your pantry completely stocked, and we'll talk later about what items you want to keep on hand. But to start, you might not want to make such a big investment. It helps to start with some simple meal planning, and then once you are happy this is working for you, you can stock up your pantry with more paleo items. This will make it easier for you to plan and stick to your paleo diet. The following are some examples of what you can eat for each meal. For breakfast, smoothies made from produce and healthy oils, eggs, fruits and nuts, or pancakes made from coconut flour. For lunch, soup made from meat and vegetables, egg salad, lettuce wraps, tuna salad, green salad with oil and vinegar dressing, or chicken breast with vegetables. For dinner, grilled chicken and salad, shrimp, sea scallops, steak and vegetables, spaghetti squash with tomato sauce, pork chops, pork tenderloin, or a pot roast. And for desserts, fruit salad, cookies made from coconut flour and bananas for sweetness, or baked apples with cinnamon and nuts and a bit of honey. You can find many great paleo recipes online or in cookbooks. One of the things that will help you to enjoy the flavors of your new food is to make sure and use seasonings. While salt is a big no-no, you can use many fresh herbs that add delicious flavor. While you shouldn't use refined sugars, some people choose to use honey or maple syrup as a natural sweetener for desserts and smoothies. These natural sweeteners don't cause your blood sugar to spike. Just make sure you use organic and unrefined as possible. Be prepared for what you can eat when you're between meals. It's especially important to have snacks that you can take with you on the go. Here are some easy ideas for snacks. Beef jerky, unsalted trail mix, plantain chips, dried fruit, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, kale chips, tuna, fruit, a slice of ham, hard-boiled eggs, pickles, protein shakes, or fruit smoothies. These can take the edge off your hunger until your next main meal.
Hello again. If you enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate a like. Subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on all my new videos. If you'd like my free report, Alternative Medicines and Therapies, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.